Okay, here in problem number 1, we're finding the domain of the following functions. We need to figure out what our possible x input could be. For a, it's a fraction, 3x all divided by x squared minus 36. We know we can never have 0 in the denominator of a fraction. So we need to figure out what numbers, when I plug in for x, will make that 0. Well, x squared minus 36 can be factored to x plus 6, x minus 6. We solve each of these, we get our x over here to be negative 6 and the other x to be positive 6. Now how do we actually write the answer for the domain? So the domain here would be all real numbers except 6 and negative 6. For b, that's a polynomial, x squared plus 6. Is there any restriction for a number for that x for a polynomial? There is none. So for b, the domain is all real numbers. For part c, that's a square root symbol. We could only have positives and a 0 value under the square root. So whenever you see a radical, we take out what's underneath, we make it greater than or equal to 0, and we solve that like a regular equation. So my domain for this problem is all my x's are greater than or equal to 4.